Bitcoin surpasses $66,000, setting a new high as cryptocurrency becomes mainstream. Bitcoin surged beyond $66,000 for the first time on Wednesday, riding a wave of enthusiasm about the financial establishment's growing acceptance of the digital currency. As of 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, one Bitcoin was worth $66,096, having previously reached a high of $66,974.77. The digital currency has stormed back from a summer low of less than $30,000 to surpass its previous April high. According to CoinDesk, the previous all-time high was almost $64,889 at the time. The spike has occurred as more businesses, professional investors, and even the El Salvadorian government invest in Bitcoin, thus widening its appeal beyond its initial core of believers. The latest converts entered the crypto world on Tuesday, when the first exchange-traded fund tied to Bitcoin attracted massive investor interest. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF shares changed hands 24.1 million times in its explosive debut. Wednesday was even busy, with trading volume exceeding 29.4 million. The ETF does not directly invest in Bitcoin. It invests instead in Bitcoin futures, but the industry believes the ETF will attract a new class of investors. Someone with a traditional brokerage account, for example, can purchase the ETF without needing to open a crypto trading account. Investors are becoming more interested in Bitcoin because they are constantly on the lookout for assets whose prices change independently of the rest of their holdings. According to one school of thinking, Bitcoin can shield investors from rising inflation, and other supporters view it as a form of digital gold. However, that claim lacks a long track record. More enlightened supporters argue that digital assets are simply the future of finance, enabling transactions to occur without the involvement of middlemen or fees using a currency that is not backed by any government. However, cryptocurrency is a long way from being adopted by the general public. Critics point out that they are still not commonly accepted as payment methods. They also critique the crypto system's energy consumption, which might result in greater expenses for home heating and other utilities during a worldwide recession, as well as increased climate-changing emissions. Meanwhile, the greatest threat is the onslaught of regulatory scrutiny. China, for example, deemed Bitcoin transactions illegal last month. Regulators in the United States have not gone that far, but the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission has stated that the realm of cryptocurrency lacks adequate investor protections. Cryptocurrencies are also infamous for their wild price movements. When Bitcoin last reached a record high, the price fell by approximately half in around 3 months. A significant factor contributing to that volatility is the breadth of Bitcoin's future possibilities, according to Gil Lauria, technology strategist at D.A. Davidson. On the one hand, Bitcoin's value could plummet to zero if it proves to be a fad or if it is supplanted by another cryptocurrency. On the other hand, it has the potential to supplant the US dollar and other currencies and become all money. More people hold a middle ground approach, feeling that Bitcoin is both useful and valuable. Lauria stated that he sees a 1% probability of the all-of-money scenario occurring, although that is a higher probability than he saw 5 years ago. To amass all of money, you must recruit a large number of individuals, he explained. And during the last year, as Bitcoin has broken records and become more mainstream, it has attracted a large number of new investors. As Bitcoin's value increases, he explained, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.